Hi guys, for today's video, I will explain to you what is the purpose of safety equipment of welding. What's this? First, in welding, the cup is the final weld bed in a welding joint. It can be created using a weaving motion or by typing stringer beds together. The cap is the last pass made on a pipe or plate open route. Next, a specialized type of glass that is designed to protect the welder's eyes and face from the intense light and heat generated during the welding process. Next, welding pants, also known as a welder's trousers, are the type of personal protective equipment PPE that protects the wearer from the heat, sparks, and UV light generated by welding. Next, protect workers from sparks, sparkers, slugs, and flame. Next, a form of headgear designed to protect the head and eyes from sparks. Next, a welding dust mask is a type of FFP2 dust mask that has an activated charcoal layer to protect against ozone. FFP2 dust masks are a type of respirator that offers a moderate level of protection against hazardous particulates, meths, and fumes. Next, welding gloves are types of personal protective equipment PPE that shield a welder's hands from the hazards of welding. Next, typically feature an thin sheet of steel in the shoe. This steel shoe will further